Hi guys, it's Hayden here. We're just going to take a look at this new ProFlow ISO air compressor I got today. So it's a portable air compressor. Just a few specs about it. So it's 12 volt DC. Maximum airflow is 150 liters per minute. The motor output power is 0.73 horsepower, and maximum pressure is 150 psi. Okay, let's open the box here and see what we got. So here it is, guys. So as you can see, it comes with this sweet ammo box style compartment where you can have it, it's actually locked inside it. So here we have our on-off button, circuit breaker. Here's our attachment for our tubes and our main motor to run the compressor. So connected into this is our different dual battery clamps just to hook up to our battery to power it. Here we have our bar and PSI pressure gauge, and on the back is an air bleed on-off button. Comes with a 5mm rubber hose. So this is our air hose, and it has high quality fittings here. So in addition to that, we've also got some different inflation adapters here and multiple valve attachments. All right, guys, so I'm just out of the car now. So we've just opened up the ammo box here. And so first thing we got to do is link up these couplers here, these couplings. So this is our air hose. So what we do is we pull this bit back, and then that simply clicks into place there, and then we make sure it's rock solid. And then at the other end of the hose, we have another coupling here, and then the same system in place here. So that clicks in there, and that feeds into our air hose here with the pressure gauge. So now we've got the air hose connected. Now we've got to connect to our battery. So what we want is the negative to negative and the positive to positive. So here you can see we have positive. So if we pull this red cover off, it has the positive symbol and the red. And on the right here we have the negative, and there's actually a negative symbol here on the battery. So we got to go first negative to negative, and then here we go the positive to positive. So the next thing we have to do is determine our tire pressure that we require. So I've just opened my front door here, and you'll quite often find that there's a sticker with our tire pressure indicated. So you can see here on this side we've got front and rear, and we've got kilopascals, and you've also got PSI. So here we're going to go, say 3 people plus a load. That should be sufficient for me. And we're going to go 210, which is front A. So that'll be our pressure. So I'm just at the tire now, guys. So we're just going to remove our valve cap. And you can see here on our pressure gauge, we've got kilopascals in blue or bar, and we've also got PSI in the red. So as we saw on our inside our door there on the sticker, we would want to take it to 210 kilopascals. So that would just want to get this past the 2 just before the next line. So here's our connection point here, so we'll just hook that on and just pull back on that lever and push it on nice and tight, and then release, and now it's hooked on. So over here on our main unit, so we just want to, you can see it's now lit up since we've connected the battery. We just want to flick that on. You can see now it's actually even gone beyond where we want it to. But one thing to note is when you turn it on, you'll see the pressure does shoot right up. So to get an accurate reading, you want to turn it back off again just to see where it's sitting. So what we can do now, since we've got a bit too high of pressure, at the back here we've got a release valve. So you can just release a bit more air and just keep monitoring until we get it to where we want it to sit. And there we have it, guys. We've got our tire in the right kilopascals, the right inflation level. So there we have it, guys. We're all packed up. There's our ProFlow ISO air compressor in the ammo box. Overall, great unit. It's just easy, it's transportable. You can just hook it up to your battery and get your tires pumped up, repressurized after a day at the beach or off-road, and whatever situation you're in, this will be a great little companion for you. So if you want to check some more info out on these guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Feel free to click it and check it out. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you all on the next one.